What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy, the Wealth Builder himself, back again with another video. Alright, so we want to talk about money, right? Money and the energy of money, right? You ever heard of that? Like saying like there's the energy, right, towards money. Money has an energy, things of that nature. You ever heard of that? I'm pretty sure you have. If you have, like this video. But the question is, a lot of people always have, right? It's hot in here. Oh, it's hot in here. It's like 90 degrees in the whip. You know what I mean? Like, it's hot outside. Oof. Alright, so yeah. Don't mind me, I just got a new Trailhawk. You know what I mean? Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Yeah, but anyhow, so the money of the energy of money. What is it? What is the energy of money? A lot of people don't know what the energy of money is. They hear about it. You know what I'm saying? They hear people talk about the money energy, right? Money energy, money. There's a way. So what is it? The energy of money is happiness. Being content with what you have already, being grateful for what you have already, but still out there moving and pushing forward to get more of what you want, which is money. That's how you attract it. That's how you know the energy of money. That is the energy of money. Knowing and being grateful for what you have, being grateful for the home you live in, the car you drive, the things you have, that is the energy of money, being grateful. Because money has its own energy, and it's not going to come to you or come your way or be available to you unless you have the right type of energy. If you have the right type of mindset, the right type of goal setting, the right type of forward looking, okay? You can't think you're going to get money hating on the next man. You can't think you're going to get money and be successful if you looking at everybody else like they fool. You know what I'm saying? Like you're willing to do anything, take anybody out for any type of success. You'll never be successful. You'll never be where you want to be in life, because you've literally are deflecting any type of success. You're deflecting any type of money. You're pushing it away from you when you come from the energy of I'm a hater, or I feel bad because I don't have money. I feel, unsuccessful because I don't have this. I don't feel grateful for the things I have. I'm not in tune with the energy of money. Being grateful, being happy, feeling good, things like that, man. That's the energy of money. That's when you know you're on the right path or the wrong path. If you're on the right path, even if you don't have no money, even if you feel like, that you could be doing more, or there's more money to be made out there, or you're not as successful as you should be, or you're not in the place that you feel like you should be, you got to be grateful for what you have. You got to be grateful for the life you have, the people that are in your life, the home, the place you live, the car you drive, the job you have. You know what I mean? You have to be grateful for it. This is the energy of money. If you're not, you'll never get anywhere. You'll never get anywhere. Every time you get somewhere, you'll get pushed back at some point because your energy is off. Your energy is off. That's pretty much how it goes, all right? You ever hear somebody say the vibes? This is the vibe. Energy has a vibe. Money has a vibe. money has a vibe. And if you don't understand that, you'll forever be caught up in the, oh, I don't have. And you'll never get it. It's just that simple, man. Just that simple. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got some good insight on what the energy of money is. It's all about being grateful. That's the energy of money. Until next time, Wealth Builders, this is the man, this is the myth, the Wealth Builder himself, signing off for what is the energy of money. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.